Hello, I'm back. What we're doing? Well, today I'm doing beef burgers. Beautiful, really nice. Really go down well on a bite if you're going to have a barbecue, or if you're inviting friends around and family, or even if you want to make a meal for your kids. A really nice beef burger. So what I'm doing at the moment, I've got one onion and I've diced it into chunks, and I've just kept going over it like that because I want it really fine. So that's what I've been doing up to now, and I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do now is get everything started. I'm going to start with a mixing bowl. Okay. And what I've got here is 750 grams of lean minced beef. It's 5% fat, so really lean. And what I want to do is I want to chop it up just a little bit more, just to make it nice and easy to work with. So to start with, I'm going to put my onions into a mixing bowl. Get them in there. They're chopped up really fine, really small. Just to get it all mixed in to the burgers. So I'm going to put that to one side. And then I want to put my beef onto this mixing board. And I want to just cut it up with a really sharp knife. It's nice and small. Okay. You don't want big strands of minced beef. You want that burger to hold together nicely. So let me just get on with this, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now that's chopped up nicely. So now I'm going to add that to the chopped onions that I placed into the bowl and break it all up. Okay, so let's get that in there. So, in my mixing bowl now, I have got my minced beef and I've got my chopped onions, which is chopped up really finely. So I'm just going to mix all these in, give it a bit of a mixing up. Okay. Okay, so that's all mixed in there at the moment. So the next stage for the burgers, I'm just going to wash my hands. So for the next stage for the burgers, in this bowl I've got, so I think it's about 78 millilitres of milk, but I'll put the recipe down below in the description. I've got one egg, and I've also got some Worcestershire sauce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack the egg and add it to the milk. Okay. And then I'm going to put in about 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, and then I'm going to add some salt. And plenty of black pepper. Okay. We'll add some more black pepper to the final mix in a bit, but for now that's it. So mix all that up, give it a good beating. I'm just going to place that to one side, and then I want to add about 2 tablespoons of mixed herbs. So I'll open this, break up this meat, about 2 tablespoons of mixed herbs. Okay, that's that added. Again, you want another sprinkle of salt, and plenty of black pepper. Goes in there. Okay. Then I am going to add some breadcrumbs. I'm going to sprinkle them in. Okay. So that's what we've got up to now. I'm just going to mix all that together, and then we will add the egg mixture and give it all another final mixing and get it ready for shaping the burgers. These are well nice. You're gonna, I tell you what, you will love these. Give it to really impress your friends and your family at the barbecues. Oh, like I said, just do them for your kids' tea at night. Burger and chips for tea tonight. They'll love that. Right, so okay, so that's everything mixed up to now. And now I'm going to add the egg mixture to really get everything mixed in and hold it together. Okay, so let's get that all mixed in. The final mixing. Make a nice sausage as well, actually. If you've got a sausage maker, ready for a sausage, add some minced pork with it as well. You can get a nice sausage out of it. Okay, I'm happy with that. So what you're looking for is for it to all to hold together like that. Okay? And that's ready for shaping into your burgers. So, that's it. Let's look at that. Okay. Right, so I'm going to wash my hands first. Okay, so we're now going to shape the burgers. And I'm going to be putting mine under the grill, so I'm going to preheat the grill to maximum, get it preheated. If you can, obviously, if you're going to barbecue, put it on a barbecue. But I should be putting mine in the grill. So, shaping your burgers. You shape them to whatever size you want, however you want to do them. If you literally just roll it out into a ball. If you want to weigh each one so you get them all the same, you can do, and then just pat it down, shape it. You do it on some greaseproof paper if you like. So, just shape it however you want it, but I'm not going to do that. Oh, no. What I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh each section to about 120 grams per burger. And I'm going to be using these. These are separators, burger separators. So I'm going to put that on there. And I'm going to weigh about 120 grams. 129. That's about 100. And 120, that'll do. And then I'm going to be using the new toy. Burger press. Okay. So, all I need to do, that's only a few quid off Amazon if you want to buy one, quite handy to have. Roll it into a ball, stick it into the centre of the separator and just press down. And just look at that. Just look at that burger, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that onto a plate. Let's make some space. Put that onto a plate. Ready for slapping under the grill. So that's the first one done. I'm going to make another one. I'm estimating I'll probably get about, out of this mixture, that size burger, probably about 10 to 12 burgers maybe, but we shall see. So that's the burgers done, ready for cooking. I've got 8 that are made at 120 grams and I've got a little bit more than 120 grams left over from the 9th one, so this is a monster. This one here is what's called my monster burger. Just look at that. Hey, how good is that going to be? So anyway, what we'll do now, we'll get on with the cooking. So as I said, I'm going to put mine onto the grill. So let's get them onto the grill pan. Okay, that's one. I'm just going to cook 4 for now, and the rest can go in the fridge. You can even freeze them if you want. You know, if you want to make them, I'll do that monster burger as well, actually. So yeah, you can even freeze them if you want. You know, if you want to make them before you have your barbecue, you can freeze them, do whatever you want really. So that is now going to go under the grill. Middle shelf, just keep turning them and so on and so on. And in the meantime, I want to get everything ready for when the burgers are done. So there's the cheese. There's the salad. Some people like salad on burgers, some don't. I do. And there's the tomatoes. So I'm going to get these prepared ready for when they're done. The barn cakes I'm going to be using, because of such big burgers, I've got some big barn cakes here, so I shall be using these. And what I want to do with these, I don't want to toast them, but I want them to have a toasted texture. So the way I do that, Mrs. loves these. She absolutely loves them, the Mrs. So the way I do that, I just get a baking tray, and I just line them on the baking tray, and I place the baking tray at the bottom of the grill, on the floor of the grill if you like. So I don't want them toasted, I don't want them going brown, but I want them to have that crispy texture flavour, crispy texture. So I'll just stick them on the bottom of there while I prepare everything else. So let's get the tomato prepared. Bit for the chef. That's my tomatoes prepared. I'll put that to one side. Get my cheese slices out. I've got 2 different types of cheese. I've got dairy leaf slices. They're nice for burgers. And I've also got these everyday ones from Asda. These are quite nice as well, actually. So I'll do 2 of each. Do 2 of them. And I'll do 2 of these. So that's that, they're ready to go. And now I'm going to start the lettuce. So with the lettuce, I've just roughly chopped it. Okay. That's everything ready now, so all we're waiting for now is for the burgers to be cooked. So once they are cooked, I'll see you then. Okay, so I'm now going to add the cheese on top of my burgers. So I'm just going to flip them over one more time. Okay. I've also decided to do the monster burger. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the cheese on the top of them and put them back under the grill. But like I said, I don't want the cheese to cook. I just want it to start melting so it just folds around the burgers. Okay, so we'll just get this done. Obviously you don't have to have cheese if you don't want cheese, but you can have cheese. So literally a few seconds under the grill. Put it of this lot and get ready to build my burgers. So here are the buns that I've prepared. Okay. And that's perfect. Take it off now, grill can be turned off, finish with the cooker. Now when it comes to burgers, I'm sorry, there's only two options. Burger relish or sweet chilli sauce. Sweet chilli sauce it has got to be. So sprinkle some on there like that. And it was spreading around. Okay. And I'm going to put on a bed of lettuce. Then I'm going to add my monster burger onto there. And I'm going to put a couple of cheese slices on, tomato slices on the top of there. One more final squirt of chilli sauce. And voila! My homemade, healthy beef burgers. Just look at that. Just look at that. Put that on the top of there. Now this is a monster burger. This is one monster burger, okay? Kids are going to love these. So there's just one more thing for me to say. Hasta la vista, baby.